The long-awaited trial of 3 police officers implicated in the 2014 death of Mario Deane began in the Westmoreland Circuit Court today. Kimberly Petty has details.
Following the abrupt adjournment of the Mario Deane trial on Tuesday as a result of an absent juror, the trial commenced shortly after 10 a.m. on Thursday. Although the juror was present, presiding Judge Justice Courtney Day revealed that the woman had presented a doctor's sick leave and will be excused for health reasons. Another juror was then empaneled to replace her. The prosecution then called their first witness to the stand, Mario Deane's mom, Mercia Fraser. Clad in a black and cream top and a black and white pants, Ms. Fraser told the court that on August 3, 2014, she received a call from an unknown number and heard her son's voice. Fraser testified that after 6 p.m. that same day, she visited the Cornwall Regional Hospital where she identified her son, who was in a hospital bed and attached to medical drips and a life support machine. She said his head was swollen and one of his eyes was bulged and that he had a dark mark on his neck and cheek. He died 3 days later. Ms. Fraser said on September 2, 2014, Deane's autopsy was done and she had to identify him yet again. When asked how her son appeared on that day, Ms. Fraser, fighting to hold back the tears, took deep breaths and paused. In a husky tone, she said, "His skin appeared darker than before." In responding to cross-examination questions from Constable Julian Cleven's lawyer, Dalton Reed, Ms. Fraser told the court her son lived in a housing scheme in Rosemount, St. James. She said she visited him from time to time. Attorney Reed further asked Ms. Fraser if Mario Deane told her that he was being arrested by the police. Ms. Fraser proceeded to respond, but the prosecution raised an objection to Reed's question, citing the rules of hearsay. Attorney Reed then agreed to withdraw the question. The matter was adjourned until March 7, where the prosecution's second witness, a police officer, will testify. Allegations are that Deane was arrested for possession of a ganja spliff and placed in custody at the Barnett Street lockup in St. James, where he was reportedly beaten on August 3, 2014. He succumbed to his injuries 3 days later at the Cornwall Regional Hospital. Kimberly Petty for TVJ News.